What's up, YouTubians? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Look at this beautiful Florida day. Sun shining, blue skies, couple clouds. A little warmer than I want for this time of year, but hey, we're not under 20 feet of snow, so wait, doesn't snow in Florida. Anyway, welcome back to another installment of the SICKXTY project, the Franken Beetle, Baja, Volksrod,
blah, 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 blah.
We did come up with a name.
What did we name it?
So, Brent from Haptic Garage had one of those comments for the car that I could not, I don't know, it stuck with me forever. And you guys have all had some fantastic suggestions, but I've been calling it the SICKXTY. So we're gonna name it the SICKXTY. SICKXTY. Why? Because it's gonna be sick. That's a little cheesy, but I like it. So, meet the SICKXTY. SICKXTY. So today we're gonna go ahead and start getting on some more of this body work. I got a couple ideas I wanna try.
So enough jibber jabber, more worky worky.
Let's get to it. That'll work just fine for now. Took a little bit more than I thought. But I think we'll go back here, try to hit these real quick, see what we can do. For this part, we're going to use a copper spoon to get back behind there to help build it up. See if I can weld left-handed. I'm not a left-handed guy. Well, that's turning out like crap. So I wonder if I weld right-handed and just forget the spoon. I don't know about all that. Have to grind that down and then try to get the top. That didn't work out too well at all. got a couple tiny little holes. Tiny, 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 tiny to fill. And back here, I get out of the light. I got a little bit up right at that lip right there to do, but the rest of this is done. So for those of you who said it couldn't be done, it can be done, but pick a way that works best for you and do it that way. Well, I don't have a whole lot of time today because I've got things to do and a date to take my wife on. So, is this the proper way? I don't know. Is it looking okay? Yeah, it is. Got a little bit more to clean up. This has the proper radius. All that's nice. Again, this car is going to clean up pretty well. Not trying to make it perfect, just trying to make it look good, make it function, make it solid, no more rust. Don't know. We'll take it from there. Will it be ready? Not sure. Is it going to be pristine? Definitely not. Will it have shiny paint? Maybe, maybe not. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for sticking around. Have yourself a wonderful day. Be kind to one another. Until the next time, be good.